Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of outdoor patio roofs. Whether you are looking to beat the heat, create a cozy outdoor retreat, or simply add some flair to your backyard, we have got you covered. So grab a seat because we are about to explore some amazing patio roof ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a paradise. First up, let's talk about the classic pergola. This timeless edition not only provides shade but also add a touch of elegance to your patio. Lush vines cascading down the sides, creating a natural canopy that is perfect for those lazy summer afternoons. Plus, pergolas are versatile. You can customize them with lights, curtains, or even a cozy outdoor fireplace to take your patio to the next level. Now, if you are looking for something a bit more flexible, consider a retractable awning. With just the push of a button, you can control the amount of shade you need, allowing you to bask in the sun or seek refuge from the heat. Plus, retractable awnings comes in a variety of colors and styles, so you can find the perfect match for your outdoor aesthetic. But what about durability, you ask? Well, look no further than a metal roof. Not only are metal roofs built to last, but they also provide excellent protection against the elements. Say goodbye to worries about rotting or wrapping. A metal roof will keep your patio looking fresh for years to come. And with options like aluminium or steel, you can find a metal roof that fits your budgets and style. But what if you are craving a cozy, intimate atmosphere? Enter the fabric canopy. These lightweight airy structures add a touch of romance to your outdoor space. Imagine dining al fresco under billowing curtains, the soft glow of a string lights overhead. It's like having your own private oasis right in your backyard. Now let's shed some light on the glass roof option. If you want to maximize natural light while still enjoying protection from the elements, a glass roof is the way to go. Not only does it create a bright and airy atmosphere, but it also offers unobstructed views of the sky above. Just imagine stargazing from the comfort of your own patio. Talk about magical. So there you have it, folks, a roundup of some amazing outdoor patio roof ideas to elevate your outdoor living experience. Whether you prefer the classic charm of pergolas or the modern sophistication of glass roof, there's something for everyone. With which option caught you? I let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for our channel, and share this video with your friends and family members. Until next time, happy patioing.